Oh my goodness, look at this camera angle. What is that? What? I'm not a robot. Let's load the chat here. What is happening? Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. This is really weird. Okay, yeah. I can pick the stairs out. Not a robot. Do I get the chat? Alright, sweet. Got the chat. That was really weird. They wanted me to pick, like I had to prove to Streamlabs that I'm not a robot. I am not. Oh my goodness. Lauren is here. Marine Corps Brad is here. Pringleton, Crypto Rocketeer, Lola. And we got everybody in the chat today. Pringleton, Marine Corps Brad. Hello, Lauren. How are you doing today, darling? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Let me see what is going on. Why do we have a... Okay, that looks better now. That looks better. Alright, good deal. I was like, why is there a weird border around this? But now we are here. Okay, make that full screen. Yeah. Looks good. Alright, sweet. Now we're good to go. The Devil's Advocate, what's going on, Clay Bro? Marine Corps Brad, how you doing? Good morning, family. Clay Bro, what's up? SD, good morning, Clay Bro. How you doing, SD? Come on, Clay. You can't drop a video 5 minutes ago and then go live. I can't watch both. Kevin, guess what, man? You're going to have to just choose between the two. Technically, I think I dropped it like 8 minutes ago, man. So it gave you the perfect amount of time to watch both. You can watch that one, then you can come in here. But it's alright if you can't watch and you got to watch it afterwards, Kevin. It's okay. Let me see. The angle looks slightly different than normal. And I'm trying... Maybe it's my computer. I'm like, what is going on here? Just looks slightly different than normal. I'm a little bit confused. But we're good to go. Please show Tesla. Tesla, I believe... No, I swapped Tesla out for fun down there in the bottom right. Because I want to watch my boy Wrestler go back in the green on fun, man. Fun sitting at 473 right now. Down a percent, 0.05. Tesla, what was Tesla doing? We can bring Tesla up over here. We can add Tesla to the watch list over there so we can kind of see what it's got going on the side. AMC up today. Farmy performing as usual. Mid-market down. I guarantee it goes up after market. If you guys are looking for a very predictable stock, you can get into that one. Up pre-market, down during market hours, up post-market, almost to a T. And then oh, there it is. Okay. Tesla, what is Tesla doing at? Tesla's sitting at 1,069 right now. 1,069 for Tesla. Very nice, guys. Please show Tesla. Kevin, I got you, man. I got you. Clay, bro, I want to subscribe, but... Mr. Pina Colada. What is the but there, man? You can click that subscribe button. It's all right. Citadel has tons of Tesla. We need to drop it to help us. Pringleton, I don't know how much Tesla they have, but... I feel like a lot of people have a lot of Tesla. I don't have any, so if we want to drop Tesla, let's drop Tesla, man. Your thoughts about ESG? I don't think I know what ESG is. Clay, bro, how's it going? I'm here. Return visit after subbing yesterday. Adam Fleming. Very nice, man. Glad to have you in here. And what is that? Deadpool costume? Is that what your picture is? Guys, I'm going to take more frequent sips of tea than I did yesterday. My voice was destroyed after the live streams yesterday. So if you see me, take a drink of tea. It's all right. Let's see. You specially said Prague wasn't AMC last night, and I felt attacked. Count your days, Clay. I'm coming for you. Dang it, man. Dang it. Well, here's the difference, okay? I do know that Prague has better numbers than AMC when you're talking short interest-wise. So if you're talking... how many short shares are outstanding, the cost to borrow. Prague's numbers are actually better. But I don't think, and I think you would agree, that Prague doesn't have the same apes that are in Prague that are in AMC. I believe that's the difference. And I think you can agree with that. If not, I mean, I concede and do tell you it's got better short interest, it's got better cost to borrow, it's got better utilization. So... it's kind of meet in the middle, man. Don't come for me too hard. Shiba, add more supply. Ryan, I think that's fake news, man. So I heard something about that, and then I think that's fake, man. I don't think that they added supply. From what I know, they cannot add supply. It's a hoodie that zips in. Oh, nice, Adam. Hoodie that's, I've seen Spider-Man ones of those. I've never seen a Deadpool one of those. Shiba to the Moon, Jim, let's get it. Welcome all, please. Hit the like on the way in. Boom, baby. AMC Trapper says, click that like button. You know what you need to do then? You need to click that like button because AMC Trapper doesn't mess around. Frog running right now, up 2.14%. Very nice. Back up to 283. Was sitting at 383. Was sitting at $3.50 a minute ago. Very nice. Hopefully it continues. I think I need to go to the computer to watch instead of my phone. Marine Corps Brett. Bigger screen, bigger face. Go over to the computer. It's got a bigger face than the phone does. So you might be doing something good. Marine Corps Brett, so glad you're in here. And, guys, here's the deal. So, last night, 2 winners of wrenches. The guy that commented on the guy that first commented on the Shiba video that I posted last night, no idea who he is, but he's got a blue wrench. Frank, first to comment on the AMC video last night, man, you've got a blue wrench. And then first to comment in this chat, okay, they also get a blue wrench. We're just having a lot of fun with blue wrench giveaways, and Marine Corps Brat was the first comment in the chat this morning, so she got another blue wrench for today. Congratulations. Be here early. Pays off to be here early, guys. Hitting the like button right now. And Paramount, thank you very much. I just got what's up with Shiba. Aureliano, just pulling back a little bit from where it was at the all-time highs. Guys, it is healthy. There's no way that any stock, any crypto can sustain nothing but a run up. So, Shiba Inu pulled back just slightly, sitting at 73.50 right now. It did touch about 8,800 last night. In case you guys were wondering, why does the graph want to move, man? Just move. What are you doing? All right, well, the graph doesn't want to move up and down. It was at about 8,800 last night, pulled back to about 5,600 during the night, and sitting at 73 right now. AMC sitting at $35, basically flat, up 0.72% on the day. Prague up a little bit, and Fun, my boy Wrestler, is still in the red on that, as it's sitting at 0.73% down on the day. Are they using Shiba to get... What? To get in esters? Oh, investors. Yo, I'm like, in esters. No, dude, I don't think that they're taking AMC investors away by using Shiba. Some people might be, but those aren't the people we want holding AMC in the first place. So if you think that they're using Shiba Inu gains to like take investors away from AMC, they may be doing that, but I don't think that is, like, it's not the people we want holding AMC in the first place, because if they're so easily taken away, they would be so easily taken away during the short squeeze anyway, and then, you know, we wouldn't reach the prices that we want to see on AMC. Clay bro, any word on Citadel versus AMC? And I do not have any word on that. I've not seen any updates from that. Marine Corps Brat, what's up, Trevor? What's up, Devil's Advocate? Yesterday, she added another 20 trillion coins. Last night, there were only 394 trillion. They added 20 trillion last night. That's why it came down. James, I don't think that they can add 20 trillion coins, man. I don't think that they're able to continue to add coins. You may have just seen somebody post. So listen, and I'm not as well informed on who all posts Shiba Inu videos like I am on who posts AMC videos. But you got to be very careful with somebody that's going to be out there telling you, Lauren, I'm going to get you in 2 seconds. You got to be very careful with somebody telling you something like they're doubling the supply of Shiba Inu coins or something. People... And they do the same thing with AMC when they talk about the dark pool price trading at $50 trillion a share and so on. It gets crazy, man, but I don't think that they're adding any new supply to Shiba Inu. Lauren, guys, nobody can touch this peach except Lauren. Lauren, this one's just for you right here. Oh, yep. A little fuzzy peach, I know. What? Oh, there it is. There it is, Lauren. Thank you very much for the peach. I appreciate that super sticker. And I appreciate the fact that you like the peach so much. I don't know why, but I appreciate the fact that you do. But it's a glitch. The price was a glitch or the supply was a glitch? Which one are you talking about there, Jim? A whale's holding those coins in a dead wallet, and now they're back in circulation. Gotcha. So that doesn't necessarily mean that they were burnt then. If somebody did have 200 trillion coins in a wallet, and, you know, assuming that it wasn't the creator of Bitcoin who went out there and burnt those, you know, that's how you burn coins, is by putting them in these wallets that are no longer usable. If all of a sudden you bring them back into circulation, then that's what you've got going on. So we want to destroy the supply. Some people may be like, oh yeah, now I remember my password. Now I remember that I bought 200 trillion Shiba Inu coin. Yeah, so that would make more sense, Nick. If that's what it was, that would make more sense to me. And real news on SHIB partnering with Amazon or Facebook. 69 Boogie, not that I have seen. Elizabeth is in the chat. What's going on, Elizabeth? Clay, bro, do you think Shiba can break a 0 by Sunday? Yeah, I do think it can drop a 0 by Sunday. I do, honestly. 18 million Shiba, can't be wrong. Phineas, very nice, dude. Hey, Phineas, even if you hold that several years, man, you walk away with $180,000. Like, you're going to be killing it, dude. Supply for Shiba, they confirmed it on Twitter. It's a glitch that causes the extra supply. Jim, okay, so we got two different stories in here right now. Who do you have confirming that? Do you have, who do you got confirming that on Twitter, man? Because right now we got a dead wallet that had been revived, and we got a glitch, Jim. I would like it to be the glitch so that, you know, we don't have that extra added supply, but we don't know which one it is at the moment. Jim saying glitch. And then we also had Dead Wallet being revived in there. Good game, Shiba. Good game. Oh, yes. Good afternoon, Clay and all. Vasteel. Oh, my goodness, Vasteel. How you been? We have resistance around this level. Resistance around this level on Shiba. We have support around the 7,000 level on Shiba. AMC, we also have support at the 35 level. We did touch 35 yesterday. And we're touching 35 and bouncing off of it again today. So I'm hoping that 35 holds up. 34.50 was the line that I had drawn on my daily graph. But I would love it if 35 holds up and we get a nice bounce from here. But kind of the same deal. We're sitting both around these levels of support on both Shiba and AMC right now. So hopefully they both hold up. Hopefully we get bounces on both of them. And boom, we're rolling. Should I continue to hold? Kind of panicking. Prim Sai, I'm not panicking, man. I'm not panicking. I'm continuing to hold, but that's because I haven't made up my mind on whether I want to kind of just take some short-term gains or whether I'm going to hold Shiba longer term and kind of play this thing out to see what happens with the supply, what happens with everybody going out there and trying to take it to a penny. Dude, a penny per Shiba would be amazing. Nini Waka, number one fan. Number one fan, number one fan, Nini Waka, Nini Waka, Nini Waka, number one fan. Nini Waka, thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that. Nini Waka is the number one fan. Thank you very much. Nini, you're amazing. Thank you very much for that super sticker. I appreciate that. And I always knew that you were the number one fan, Nini Waka. I always knew. I could feel it. I could see it in your eyes. I could see it in your smile. Alright, I'm going to delete that out of this later. I'll have to go back and edit this live stream and delete that out. Nini, I always knew it. I always knew it. Elizabeth, don't be laughing at me. Come on now. Clay, bro, do we have resistance at this level on AMC? Okay, so, Marine Corps Brett. So, at this level on AMC, we're right around a level of support and resistance. Yes. So, if you're looking at 35, let's go pull it up on a... Oh, no, not that one. Oh, please don't lag. Alright. We might lag for a second here, but we're going to go and try and pull this up on a bigger graph. AMC, levels of support and resistance. So, we are right here. So, as you can see, we just fell through that level of support that we had, and now we kind of got a little doji candle going on for today. Yes, if you give it a little bit of slack, this level right here now, the ascending trend line, and this level at $36 per share will be resistance. Okay? Hopefully it doesn't hold up. It is very strong resistance, but it will be resistance. And it's crazy because right where we're at right here is a level of support too. So we're kind of just sitting right in between, and it's not a very good level of support because we basically just tapped it here. This is the main level of support. But since we're sitting in such a tight little support and resistance channel right now, it may act like it's just like super squeezed. So it may act like it's just going to want to sit there and bounce back and forth until it finds its direction. So yes, we do have support at around 35, but we do have resistance around 36. So you may see some pretty tight channeling until we decide which direction it's going to go. But yes, I would say we are at kind of a support and resistance level. What do we got here? Vasteel, been good, Clay. New job, so I can't watch your stream that long, but your stream is still the best. Always support you, bro, and love this community. Best deal. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. New job, man. New job. Here's the question that I need answered. So at this new job, once you get comfortable and you no longer have your boss looking over your shoulder and they're like, oh, well, you can't be on your phone. What do you think, man? You think like you can hang out with us a little bit more? Or what's the sentiment on that with the new job? Or are you like performing open heart surgery? Because if you were doing that, I clearly do not want you watching this channel while you're doing open heart surgery or any type of brain surgery or anything like that. I would say that is bad news. Don't do that right there. Sold Doge for Shiba now. Very nice. MJ12. Love you, Clay. Love you too, Emma Rodriguez. I didn't get a notification. I thought you took the day off. Rob! We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Come on, man. No days off there, Rob. Listen, my throat was hurting pretty bad. I may take a little bit more drinks of tea today than normal, but that's because I was screaming so much yesterday. That wasn't a good look. Thoughts on Citadel buying call options? M. Rodriguez. Citadel's allowed to buy call options. I don't have a problem with them buying call options. That's part of the game, man. We buy call options too. Don't spam, please. Yeah, guys, don't spam. I don't want to turn slow mode on. I will if I have to, but I don't have it on currently, and I will turn it on. So you're going to have to at least wait 5 seconds or so before you can type 2 messages. Should we buy Shiba now? Shiba. I like your name. Shubi. Listen, I think that this could be a decent level to get into Shiba. We know that 7,000 is holding up as a level of support. So if you want to see it test this level down here again, 6,900, 7,000, then we could watch it possibly pull back a little bit more. But it does seem like it's trying to trend a little bit higher now after all of the stuff came out about the supply and we're bouncing off these levels of support. It does seem like it wants to run a little bit higher. So if you want to add, we are at a level of support. Should I buy now? Pakistan, if you would like to buy now, I use levels of support and resistance to determine when to buy and sell. But if you want to use, we are bouncing off a level of support. Don't spam. I'm being forced against my will to actually do my job and can't pay attention. What does that even mean? Can't pay attention? Oh no, devil's advocate. Forced to do your job. Let me talk to your boss, dude. Let me talk to your boss. Just throw the phone over there right now. I'm going to give him a shout out, and then we can't have you doing your actual job today, man. You got to hang out with us. We need you, devil's advocate. Is today Shiba versus Doge? Oscar, it could be. Today could be Shiba versus Doge. What is Doge at right now? I know it hit 33 cents earlier. What is Doge sitting at right now? Let's add it to the watch list. So we got it on there. 31.5 cents right now. Yeah, Doge is... Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny that the Doge guys are over there? No. You will not run up further than us. And then they got to go in and increase their price so they can hang with us. Come on, Doge. So can we talk AMC for a while? Absolutely, Elizabeth. Guys, we can talk about anything you want. I mean, typically, the chat is driven by the people in the chat. Please, if you've got AMC questions, I would love for you to ask AMC questions. We kind of know what's going on right now with AMC. We know... what is this? Why has it got a notification for Weeble? That's weird. We do know that AMC has been trading right around that daily level of support, and it did fall below it. Guys, this level up here, if you're in AMC, is just Natalie's break-even point. She hasn't been in here, but we are keeping it here until she comes home. And so don't really worry too much about that one. The purple line is the trending, the ascending level, the ascending trend line that we've got on the daily pattern here. It goes all the way back down to the $1.93 or $1.97 that we touched back in January. And as you can see, it held up very nicely. We held up back here. We consolidated for a while, but then the exact same trend line is holding up here as well. So that's the ascending line. Descending line came from the top of the bull flag that we had here back in June and has been used as a level of descending resistance ever since. Now this line here, bottom of the pennant, this is what we're sitting at, and this is if we do continue to fall, this is the level I've got on my eye on if we need to use it as a level of support. Is this $30 line right here? That's what I got on the daily pattern for AMC. Intraday, we've kind of just been trading sideways for the last couple of days, sitting right here at $35 per share. kind of flat, not just down a little bit. Clearly, we've been asking AMC questions, but they are being drowned out by Shiba stuff. Well, I am seeing them now, Marine Corps brat, so please keep asking. Please explain Shiba's supply. Over 5 trillion. Eddie, yeah, so the Shiba supply is up. 2 reasons that I've seen so far, I'm not exactly sure which one it is a glitch that overextended the supply by some website. I don't know which one it was. And then another person said that they revived a dead wallet. Current Shiba supply is around 500 trillion. Okay, it originally started with 1 quadrillion coins, and the dude that owns Ethereum, the dude that started Ethereum, he basically burnt half the supply right away. There's enough love in the chat for both AMC and SHIB. Don't develop. I also have both, and I think that a lot of people do have both in here, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with making money on both. Audio sounding bad? Just me, Rob. I hope so, man. I mean, I hope it's not just you, like, for the fact that it is you, but I hope nothing's wrong with my stuff right here. Glitch, check Twitter. Jim, what's the Twitter that I should check, man? Tell me the handle that I should check. I'm most likely going to have to check it after the stream, though, and talk more about it in the afternoon live stream. Because if I start going onto the internet, this computer can't handle everything that I go to. By now, can you explain what market cap is exactly? Ray, absolutely, man. So market cap, if you're talking about a stock, it's the amount of shares outstanding times the stock price. If you're talking about a coin, it's the amount of coins outstanding multiplied by the price. Basically, what a market cap is if you were to go out and buy every single one of the shares or every single one of the coins at the current price, that's what you would have to pay. That's what all of it added up together is worth. So a market cap around $20 billion or $30 billion for Shiba Inu means that if you wanted to buy every single Shiba Inu coin that exists, you would need to pay $20 or $30 billion for it. AMC, if you multiply every single one of the 513 million shares that are outstanding by that $35 price, then that's the market cap for that company. And it's the same across the board. Like, it's just price times shares outstanding or price times coins outstanding. Mike isn't clear, boss. Yeah, well, sometimes it does that, man. There's nothing I can do about it. Sometimes it for some reason has a little bit of static or makes me sound like a robot or whatever. I don't know what it's doing right now. Sheep lower highs, lower lows. Rob, I think that she was just pulling back a little bit from the all-time high that it hit, and I think that it's going to continue to move higher. She was better than Cardano. Shiba hold or sell. I'm currently holding. I killed it on Lucid today. Calls are doing great too. Rob, very nice, man. I bought more AMC this morning. Nini Waka, I love it. Adding on the nice dip that we got there. We are sitting around a level of support right now. So if you guys do want to add to your AMC, we're sitting around a level of support between $34.50 and $35 per share. And if we do drop further, the next level of support is around $30 per share. So you got to keep that in mind if you are looking to add. And just, I don't know, keep an eye on it, see what it's going to do. If it falls a little bit, you got the next major level of support, like a very big one, at $30 per share if you're worried about that. Love me some Lucid. Very nice, Chris. Check Milkshake on Twitter. All right, Jim, I'm going to have to check that out after the stream, man. I'll take a look at it. Milkshake is the name. Is Robinhood taking on Shiba? What's the word? Jobian. Very, very good question. So, as of right now, it's all speculation whether or not Robinhood is going to add Shiba Inu coin to their platform. They released in their earnings, and a lot of people were asking them about it. But what they released in their earnings was that they had a drastic decline in the amount of crypto revenue that they generated. Everybody at the beginning of 2021 was super hyped about Dogecoin. Everybody was buying it on Robinhood. And that's one of the reasons it led to the increase in Dogecoin. But Robinhood had a very nice revenue. Now, that revenue dropped drastically as people became less and less excited about Dogecoin. And they traded less and less Dogecoin on there. The expectation by traders is that Robinhood will want to partake in that revenue. Robinhood will want to list Shiba Inu coin, on their platform so that they're able to increase that revenue once again. Oh my gosh, dude, I just ate part of the rope off that tee. Jim stops. Yeah, Jim, no need to spam, guys. I'm going to try and get to everything. Burn, Shiba, burn, burn, burn. Take us to the moon. Let's do it, Eli. And guys, there is a Spotify out there that you guys can burn coins all day. And I did not add that to the description, darn it. Make it so fine. If you're in here, get that link out for the Spotify. We almost deleted a zero. James, we almost did. I was watching it last night till about midnight, and I did see that we were so close at about 8,800. Holy Shiba people, maybe it will take weeks, maybe months. This expectation overnight is ridiculous. Hold. Rachel, I 100% agree with you. Guys, it is exciting. The hype is real, but don't think it's going to just go to a penny overnight. Please, if you're into long-term predictions, I can go for a penny with you. But if you think it's going to happen in the next week or so, I mean, I don't want to rain on your parade, dude, but just calm down a little bit, and we'll get there. Wing Chu, should we still buy now? I absolutely think that we could buy now. I mean, you might think it's a little bit high, but we're still on a decent pullback from the 8,800 point we saw. Mickey Robin Hood will likely list Shiba. They are losing users after taking away the buy button. Mickey, I agree with that, dude. I think it would only be beneficial for them, even if they just listed it to take some of the revenue, man. They had such a good month, or such a good quarter with Dogecoin, that I don't understand why they're not working hard to get Shiba listed on there. Nini Waka, thank you very much. Guys, can I add that? Can I add that to my description while I'm on here? I don't even know if I stop moving, chat. Oh, no, I can't do it from here. I can't copy anything from here. I might have to see if Nini Waka's message. Nini, you might have to send that again. If you got that on copy and paste, excellent. I was using Streamlabs chat. Gosh. Don't stop moving. I can't do it. All right, Nini, you might have to post that again if you got that on copy and paste. I was gonna put it in the description. Oh, you know what, Mickey? Maybe you tagged me on Twitter and I just didn't do it because I forgot to do it, and I do want to get that in the description there. So if you guys want to check that list out and you want to play some music in the background or whatever, I unfortunately can't play it on stream, but we'll pin it for a minute. And then if you guys want to, hopefully that pinned. I don't know how that stuff works. If you guys want to play that, it's supposed to burn Shiba Inu coins, I think up to 7,000 coins, which is not a lot, knowing that the overall supply is 500 trillion. But if everybody just listens to some music in the background, you can burn coins just by playing those songs on there. And I do want to, throw out a little disclaimer. I have no idea what the music is out there and what it's gonna pull up for you and all of that stuff. So if you don't like it, you don't have to listen to it. You can turn it on silent. But as long as you got it playing in the background, they should be burning Shiba Inu supply just for listening to that music. Alexander, thank you very much for the super chat. Why the increase on the circulating supply from 395 trillion to 549 trillion? Very good question, Alexander. So Jim said you can check out Milkshake's Twitter account, and they're confirming that it was a glitch, that we are back down to the previous supply levels. Somebody else said that somebody revived a 200 trillion Shiba coin wallet. I don't know if that's necessarily true, but we're leaning towards the glitch right now because it's confirmed on Twitter, but I have not seen it myself, man. So I'm going to be completely honest and just want to throw that little disclaimer out there that I have not seen that myself, and I want to make sure that we do our due diligence before we just come on here and say what it is. So I'm going to put slow mode on since we got some people trying to spam. They're going to have to wait at least 10 seconds to get another message out. So that's what you guys get for spamming, man. Slow mode's on now. How much Shiba Inu do you own to see $1 million if Shiba hits a penny? So, William, you would have to be holding 100 million Shiba Inu coin if you wanted $1 million when it reaches a penny. So all you would do is divide that by 100 because there's 100 pennies in a dollar. And then for $1 million, you would need 100 million Shiba Inu coin. Hit the like button, Nini Waka. Thank you very much. Guys, don't forget to click the like button. Welcome to the crypto crowd, Clay. Rob, crazy, isn't it, man? At least we got slow mode on now. Nobody's going to be spamming like they were before. How much Shiba do you have? David, I went through this a lot. If you're not used to my content, I talk a lot about AMC stock. And I prefer to just talk in averages, okay? I don't want to I don't want to influence anybody to buy more or to buy less than they already have because they think I have more or less than them. My current price, my current average price for Shiba is around 2,700 and something. I don't talk about how much I own, the size of overall size of my portfolio or anything like that, just because I don't want to influence anybody to do something that they wouldn't ordinarily do. But my average price right now is around, it's 27 and change, man. I don't know exactly what it is. Hey, Clay, thanks for what you do. 123J, really appreciate you, man. Thank you for being in here. Just on 1.4 million coins. Hey, Trevor, nothing wrong with 1.4 million coins, dude. Think about it. If you held those 1.4 million coins long term, and it does reach a penny one day, you're sitting on $100,000, man. There's nothing wrong with only a million coins. Like, you're doing great. Everybody wants a billion coins, or 10 billion, or 100 billion, or a trillion coins. But in all reality, okay, that would be nice if you got back in January when there were 15 zeros and you could buy a trillion coins for $100. But that's not the case now. And if you're sitting on a million coins, man, you hold them long term, $100,000 is going to be excellent money, man. 100 million, it would have to be way more possible than Bitcoin. How is that possible? Alyssa, what do you mean? 100 million, it would have to be way more possible than Bitcoin. How is that possible? I'm not exactly sure I understand the question. 250 million Shiba here. Got it back in March. Nice time to get in. Got a couple bad fills and a couple good ones. Very nice, dude. Hello, Nick F in the chat, man. Boom, fist bump out to you, Nick F. How you doing, man? Exactly. Oh yeah, astronaut, man. If you're sitting there on a million coins, like, do not be discouraged. Do not be upset about that. You are absolutely killing it right now. Oh man, you're not gonna influence anybody. Well, Rodney, that's a lot of people may be influenced by that. Okay, and I don't go around like meeting people I see anywhere else and say, you know what, dude, I like your shirt. How much money do you have in the bank? It's not just I don't know, it's not a question that some people, I'm not like uncomfortable sharing it, but I just don't think it's normal to sit there and be like, well, man, I got more money than you, or, well, man, I got less money than you, so you're definitely doing better than I am. You know, I don't know, man. That's my mentality on it. Lucas, thank you very much for the super chat. Robinhood will list Shiba, but as of early next year, due to tax implications, Lucas, I have not seen an article on that, but that could be possible as well. Okay, I don't know why they would wait. In my opinion, I think that they would be trying everything they can to get it listed as soon as possible so that they can take advantage of the hype right now. Because, yep, last few months of the year, you're going to see odd trading compared to the rest of the year. Yeah, especially with a lot of tax implications coming on at the end of the year. And it's gone. Yeah, Rob. And it's gone. That's Shiba Inu for you. Normal investors, don't ask that. AMC Trapper, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't have a problem with people asking it. Like, they can ask, especially if they're new. I really don't have a problem with people asking. I just don't want to create an environment where everybody's got to say, well, shoot, man, I've got 1 billion Shiba. Ooh, I've only got 100,000 Shiba. Yeah, man, but I'm sitting on a $10 billion Shiba pot right now. And then everybody's like, oh, man, dude, talk about your percentage gains. I don't care if you start with $50. Okay, if you're 10x in $50, then you got a $500 account, and all you could afford was a $50 account. And now you're sitting on $500. Well, dude, think about it. If you spend another year, you 10x that bad boy again, and you've got 5,000 sitting in your account. You're starting to make some damage. You're starting to do some damage there, and you're really growing your investment. So I am on board with that, guys. I'm on board with no matter what you got, you can absolutely make a difference in your life. Frank, I don't know what that means, but I need to do more research. I didn't see what Frank said. Oh, man. But he's definitely got to do more research. M. James, what's going on, M. James? In my not so humble opinion, it's a measuring kind of thing. And personally, I'm not worried about the size of Clay's boom boom candle. Dude, I'm not even worried about the size of my boom boom candle, man. Come on. If I'm not worried about it, you should definitely not be worried about it. Clay and Mods, what's going on? Jason, not gonna tear up the Shiba people today. Keeping in mind today, with the AMC tug of war game isn't moving anywhere because everyone is pulling in different directions. Paraphrasing Review Dork. Yeah, Chris, man, I was thinking it's more or less a tug of war between us and them. But at the same time, man, I agree. You know, with people moving to some other place, but I don't think I don't think any of the apes sold their AMC to get into any of these other plays. I don't think an ape would do that. I haven't sold any of my AMC. I'm sitting on AMC, and a lot of people have been referring to AMC as their savings account. So as we let it ride, and as we become, this could actually be a decent thing too, in the fact that as we become emotionally detached from what AMC is doing day to day, then it could absolutely cause us to hold to these higher levels during the short squeeze. And we need that mentality in everybody that is holding. Saray, thank you very much for the super chat, Saray. I'm seeing it there. Good morning, sir. Good morning to you. I am holding 1.5 billion Shiba. Last night, my portfolio was 135,000. Saray, very, very nice. I love that, Saray. That is awesome. I'm so glad that you're just destroying it on Shiba Inu. That is amazing. Those gains are incredible. Explain. Lewis, explain what, man? Sorry, I might have missed something. Thanks, Frank. Absolutely. 800 million Shiba at 13,000 return. Whoop, whoop. Adam, very nice, dude. You don't want to know what the sad thing is? What is it, miscellaneous? Nick says Safe Moon can be your next Shiba. Safe Moon could be. Nobody knows what's going to be next. What do you think about Elon's coin? What? Dogecoin? I don't know too much about a lot of these altcoins that are out there that are supposed to make you rich overnight. AMC is the homie, y'all. AMC is my baby. You know what I mean? Like, nobody's gonna sit here and tell me that AMC is going anywhere. AMC is not going anywhere at all. MedX is a good bet right now. Yeah, I don't know what MedX does. They're a Chinese company, right? They have been pumping up. They're very similar to what Farmy's got going on, too. 52 million Shiba holder here. Very nice, William. A realistic price, end of the year. Realistic price, end of the year, I would say dropping another 0 if we're being optimistic. And it kind of trading in the lower areas with that other 0 gone. I don't think we see a 10x by the end of the year. I would really like my AMC tennies. Can you please let them know? Yes, J-Bones. I would love, dude. Think about it, man. J-Bones, I don't know when you got in. I've been in talking about AMC every day since January, and I would love AMC stock to just squeeze, dude, and just like make everything that we've been hoping for over the last year come to life. I mean, that would be absolutely amazing to me. I would really, so that one, I'm 19 and 72.5 million Shiba. Got it at 0.000019. I've gotten good returns. Plan on holding for the long term. Butter plays, very nice. TWLO, a buy on the dip. Karthik, I'm not exactly sure where that's going. I don't know too much about TWLO. Sorry about that. Is Saitama worth spending $1,000 on right now? Very well could be, Beast. I'm not exactly sure, you know, of its potential, but I do see a lot of people in the live streams and in the comments talking about Saitama. Feeling a bit bummed out about AMC and nothing happening over the past 2 months when so many others are moving. I'm still super holder, but all the excitement seems to have gone away. Yeah, man, I would 100% agree with, and you can see it in my videos, right? I feel the sentiment. I feel the discouragement with AMC kind of trading sideways. But I do want to point out really quick that it's been that way before, okay? And it wasn't to the same extent. The discouragement wasn't to the same extent. But in this area in here, okay, you had a lot of people, and it's different because the people that bought in here are like they drove the excitement, but then they're like they think the squeeze is over. Oh man, it's dropping down now. It's been moving sideways. But if you look in this area right here, before we ever had that pop up, it was not necessarily discouragement because it was trading sideways, but there was a lot of, yeah, I think all this talk about the squeeze is fake. All AMC does is just trade between $12 and $8 per share, and it does it for months. Like, nothing's happening. All this squeeze talk is fake news, and it's just nobody is right here. They're just stringing us along. It's just people on YouTube wanting to get followers and stuff. And then, oh, wow, what? We busted out of 1450? Oh, wow. Oh, no, come on. Stop that. Oh, wow, what? We ran up to $70-some per share? And now it's the same thing again, okay? We're getting a lot of discouragement. Oh, AMC just trades between $30 and $50 per share. Oh, it's just trading sideways. Like, what's the deal here? And dude, out of nowhere, if we bust these levels, we could run just like that. So I know that people are tired. I know that it's a little discouraging to see AMC trading sideways like that, but I don't want anybody to feel that way because the numbers are still the same. The numbers don't lie. People's emotions go up and down, but the numbers don't lie. And the AMC stock short shares outstanding are just the same as they were back in May and June. So I want to remind everybody that it's not that we're going anywhere. It's not that it's over. It's the fact that, man, it might be a little tough to handle, but when it happens, it's going to happen. Mike, how do we get Satama? Yeah, if you guys want to let somebody know how to get it, you probably got to do it on PancakeSwap in order to get it, but you guys feel free to let people know how to get these other coins too. Clebro, the photo you referenced about the little dude turning away right before hitting the diamonds and gold was perfect. It'll be much easier to live with yourself holding than selling and missing. Yeah, devil's advocate, man. That happens all too often, and I don't want to see that happening to anybody in here. You know, one part of you wants to say, dang, man, I got $1,000 invested into AMC right now. I could go out and I could spend it on Shiba because Shiba's running. Well, think about the same. People were saying the same thing about DWAC and Fun last week. And if you would have dropped your 1,000 in AMC to get into DWAC, you know, you're sitting on $500 now. You're sitting on $300 now. So it's not always like, let's go here, let's go there, let's go here. But at the same time, I don't think you should have 100% of your portfolio invested in anything because you can still partake in these other opportunities that are out there. You know, I don't have any DWAC, I don't have any Fun. I do have some Shiba. I don't know, filter what I invest in and not just go out and trade everything that's running. I wouldn't consider myself a day trader. Long-term swing trader, maybe, but I would classify it more as like an investing approach. So there's nothing wrong with partaking in multiple things, especially if your portfolio is not 100% invested in one stock. But yeah, guys, imagine if you sold and you're sitting here and it's like, I don't know, back in the end of May, and we're just about to break 40 and then rocket higher. I don't want to see that happen to anybody. You need some I do need some prog. And now that prog was back down slightly today, it might be a decent time. It was sitting at 350 this morning, and I did think about that. Because I've got a little bit of buying power sitting in my portfolio right now. Not a ton, but I was like, dang, man, this could be a decent, and it would have been. I'll already be up 10% right now from there. So I already would have made 10%, man. Oh, man. Please talk about the huge circulating supply increase in SHIB yesterday. Yeah, Huda, absolutely. So the supply increase is most likely due to a glitch. There's other rumors out there saying that it could be because of a dead wallet being revived, and I haven't seen confirmation in either way. They are saying on a Milkshake Twitter it is confirmed that it was a glitch, but I haven't seen that with my own eyes, so I'm not able to speak on it directly. But those are the two theories that are running out there right now. I bought 630 more shares of Prague at 339. This one, see, Wrestler understood the assignment. I understood it, but I just didn't follow through with it. Wrestler did. My boy's already up over 10% this morning just on his Prague gains. I love it, Wrestler. Dang it, I need you guys to just like come wring my neck and just like make me buy it. Greetings from Portugal. Como você está from Portugal? All good things for everyone. Hold and hold. Yes, I am holding, Twiggy. Let's see. Alex Luther, the company will take a portion of the royalties paid for the songs and burn Shiba Coin monthly, about $7,900 per times the playlist is played. It's 23 hours of music. Very nice, Mickey. And that's the playlist that's up on the top of the screen. If you see that right now, and you guys do want to burn some coins, you can do so that way. It's a decent way to do it. Another thing too, if you're brand new and you don't have any Shiba yet, or your Coinbase was down yesterday and your platforms were down, Webull has a promotion going on right now, and they are extending it. I got an email from Webull this morning that they're extending it through, I believe, November 5th. Okay, but you want to take advantage of it as soon as possible. If you sign up, make your $100 deposit, you're going to get a couple free stocks, at least two, valued up to $2,300. Most likely going to be a lot less than that. You're very, very unlikely. I think you get like a better chance of hitting the lottery than getting $2,300 in free stocks, but you will get at least like $10 or $15 in free stocks. And then if you trade at least $1 worth of any cryptocurrency, you get at least $5 in free Shiba Inu. So there's a link for that down in the description below. And if you don't live in the US, you can use the international Binance link down there to get Shiba Inu coin as well. Just if you want to open up another platform in case your platform like Coinbase goes down again. Devil's Advocate Clay said, nah, I don't need to do my homework. I know what's going on. A wrestler out here doing his thing and collecting them nuts. Yes, and I want to do the same exact thing as a wrestler. I want to collect them nuts too. But by nuts, I mean money. I mean money, because wrestlers collecting money. We were just using nuts as a synonym for money. What platform are you using to observe your stocks? This is Webull. This is Webull that I got going on in the background right now. What is a dead bud? So if you want to burn a crypto coin, right, you can put it, and I've unfortunately done this with some that I lost my password to before, but you can, like you got it in a wallet, just say you're using a Trust wallet or any wallet for that matter, and then you basically throw away the key. You forget your password, you lose access to it, you can no longer get on there, access, transfer, circulate those coins. That would be a dead wallet. I've got some Raven coins sitting in a dead wallet right now, and there's no way I'm ever gonna get it back. But that would be a dead wallet, man. You take it out of circulation. Those coins in there can no longer be used because you don't know the password. The password can't be recovered. Nobody else knows the password, and you can't get those coins back. If you just forgot the password, or maybe you misplaced your piece of paper that you had your password written down on, and then a year later you find it, then you could revive it. But if it's dead, it's dead. Rob, thank you very much for the super sticker. Critical hit. Critical hit. Hey, Rob, man, critical hit. Reminds me of Pokemon Yellow back in the day on Game Boy Color. Critical hit. Thank you very much, Rob, for the critical hit. I appreciate that super chat, dude. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, Clipper, check the Binance link. You know what? Yeah, that is international only. That is It didn't have the US on there. I thought it was like every country, but it's international only. I'm gonna have to put. If you guys do want to use a US Binance, I'll have to get my other link for that. But that one that I got in there, and that's why I updated the description to say international Binance, because you are correct. I went and looked at that after I was reading your Twitter messages. And it is international only. So if you guys don't live in the US and you want to use that Binance code, you can absolutely do so. If you do live in the US, either use Webull, or you're gonna have to wait till if you do want to use one of my codes, you would have to wait until I got that one on there. I didn't update it, but I did update it to say international. I didn't put the US one in there. Can hot reach 10 cents? Jatmir, I don't think it's going to reach 10 cents soon, man. I don't want to be, like, pessimistic or anything, but I don't think that it's going to reach 10 cents soon. That would imply a $40 or $50 trillion valuation, and I don't think we see that anytime soon, man. Is 1 million Shiba enough? Cali Life, I think 1 million Shiba is enough. I don't know what your goals are, but we were talking about the guy a minute ago that had, like, 1.4 or 1.04 or something. Even if it reaches a penny a couple years from now, a penny on a million coin portfolio is $100,000. I think that's plenty. If you can afford more and you want to buy more, then you absolutely can. But I don't think that just holding 1 million Shiba is a bad deal. Like, I don't think you're going to be upset with those types of gains. Buy a DWAC and Fawn and Shiba and hold. Major gains in November, I predict. Very nice. I like predictions where people are making major gains, man. AMC is taking off. Yes, Marine Corps Brat. AMC is moving higher. Bouncing off that level of support we had there. Up a little over 1% from where we were at 35 per share. Sitting at 35.44 per share right now. We got some nice green candles on here. It's a little bit difficult when I get to size that right, but Yes, moving very nicely to the upside right now. Here's what I want to see. I want to see a move back above $36 per share on AMC, simply because that takes us above that level of resistance. That would be significant to me. If we bust back up above 36 per share, I'm going to be pretty excited about it and think that we can get back into that wedge and hopefully break out to the upside of that wedge then. Let's go AMC. Let's do it. Please refrain from bringing politics into the stream. Yeah, listen, guys. I mean, I'm not going to sit here. I will tell you this right now. There's probably 50% of the chat that agrees with me and 50% of the chat that disagrees with me. And it's going to be the same thing all around. Like, you're going to have half people agree with you, half the people disagree with you, but you're not going to get some debate going on. Like, I understand. Like, we can agree to disagree on a lot of things, and we can agree to agree on some things, and we can disagree to agree on a lot of things. But we're not going to turn this into some sort of a debate. We're here, regardless of what your political affiliation is, we are making money. And I don't think that anybody in here is opposed to making money. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't be sitting in a stock market and cryptocurrency finance channel. But I don't think you're opposed to that. So let's keep the focus on that and just leave it at the fact that, you know, some of us agree, some of us disagree. Let's see how much Shiba Inu. So Jacob, I don't talk about the actual value of what I own, my overall portfolio value, things like that. But my Shiba Inu coin average price right now is 27 and change. So it's 2,700 and something. I don't know exactly what the change part is, but it's 2,700 and something for my average price. Savior politics for our finance YouTuber's presidential candidate Matt Kors. Dude, wouldn't it be legit like if me and Matt did run for president one day? I'd be like, yeah, shoot. Who would be vice? If you want to save the debate for that, let's debate over who would be president and who would be vice. We could go with that one. I'll let you guys argue that one out. I agree with you 100%, but I just don't like your voice or something. Steven, it's all right. Sometimes I listen to my voice too, and I don't like it, but I think, I don't know, dude, if you just let it play in the background and don't really focus on the voice, then it might be a little bit better. Because I feel the same way, too. But if it's any consolation, my throat is slightly sore from talking so much yesterday, so that could have something to do with it. It may seem a little bit scratchy, Steven. Thank you very much for being in here, man. I just block all the Brandon lovers. Hey, man, if people love Brandon, people don't love Brandon. It's all right. Just end money in politics. Yeah, let's just keep it on the money here. You Vice Chipmunk. Dude, you did anybody see? I swear the video of Chip Bro the other day only got 40 views on Twitter. You guys need to go watch that. Dude, I opened the patio door about this much. Okay, it's actually nicer today. I think during the lunch break I'm gonna open it a little more. But I opened the patio door like this much. Boom, dude just jumps right in like 40 seconds later. Jumps up on the ottoman, grabs his seeds, goes out, runs back and forth, does it like every 10 seconds. It's amazing. I love that guy. Let's go, Shiba. Beast. Let's go, Shiba Chippo. Sabotaging your voice when you're not looking. Hey, he might be, man. He might be. But I don't have a dog. I'm allergic to dogs and cats. My family's always had dogs, so like I really do love dogs. Don't really love cats that much. I'm much more allergic to them, but I don't know about cats. I don't know. I'm a dog guy before a cat guy. But, dude, there's something about that little chipmunk, dude. When you're holding a seed right there, and he comes down and he puts his two little paws on your finger and then just grabs the seed and eats it, it's like, dang, man. How the heck did I get this wild animal to jump in here and jump in my house and trust me to feed him out of my hand? I love that little guy. I really do. Drain the swamp. Oh, yeah. Swamps are dirty. You gotta drain them. It's okay. Saw that video on Twitter. Rob, isn't it crazy? He just jumps right in, boom, jumps on the ottoman, grabs his seeds, and goes back out. Clay, a half a penny is a realistic target, right? By the end of the year in Valuable Entertainment, I'm gonna say that's a stretch by the end of the year. Because that's a valuation. And I'm also assuming in this statement here that they're not going to burn a drastic amount of coins by the end of the year. Because the end of the year is only coming in like 8 weeks, man. There's not that much time left. So to reach a $1.5–2 trillion valuation by the end of the year, you're saying that Shiba Inu coin is more valuable than Bitcoin. And I don't see that happening by the end of the year. However, as time progresses, okay, as more people get into crypto, as more money flows into crypto overall, Even if they don't burn the supply, I could absolutely see it going to a half a penny. Maybe Bitcoin is sitting at a $5 trillion valuation, Ethereum's sitting at $3 trillion, and Shiba Inu's still lagging back at coin number 9, 10, 11, but it's got a $1 trillion valuation. You know, I think that is definitely possible longer term. Now, the thing we do have on our side is the fact that we could wait long term, and while we're waiting, they burn that supply. Wouldn't a million Shiba at 1 penny be 10,000? A million Shiba, it's a penny. Oh, Seth, a million Shiba was 1/100th. So yeah, it would be 100 million Shiba would get you $1 million. 10 million Shiba gets you $100,000, and a million Shiba. If I said that earlier, man, 1 million Shiba gets you 100 grand. That would be at 10 cents. So I was dividing that by 10 instead of 100. So I think I did say that earlier, Seth. Did I? Is that why you're correcting me on that? I'm pretty sure if now I might be remembering wrong. But yes, if it's, you get a million Shiba and it goes to a penny, you just divide it by 100. So you're sitting on 10,000. If you got 10 million Shiba, you divide it by 100, you're sitting on 100,000. 100 million Shiba divided by 100, you're sitting on $1 million. Okay, thank you guys very much. Sometimes, if I get carried away in the chat, I may say something wrong. I 100% appreciate anybody who catches that slip up and says it, but you are correct, man. If you got 100 and it goes to a penny, you just divide it by 100. If it goes to 10 cents, you divide that dollar by 10, and you're there. Clearly, if it goes to $1, your every Shiba is worth $1, and whatever you're holding is $1 for you. Half a billion Shiba, gonna diamond hand West Side. Very nice, man. Diamond hand in long term. I really, really hope it plays out. Clay, you're wrong. Devil's advocate. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate you telling me I'm wrong when I'm wrong. I really do, guys. I really do. And thank you very much. Coming from you, man, it makes me feel a lot better, too. What do you think about the supply of Shiba, which went to 594 trillion? Nixon. So people are telling me that was a glitch. Some people are telling me it was a wallet. I'm going to try my best to figure out and confirm what that was, because I've just heard a lot of, not rumors, but a lot of different answers during the chat here on what that could have been. Who holds your AMC? What do you mean, dude? I hold my AMC. Nobody's holding my AMC for me. I got it in my Weeble account. If it goes to a penny, I'm at 180. Phineas, dude. God. Listen, I know the gains are crazy, and I know people are like, oh, dude, $180,000. If you would have got back in January, you'd have $180 million. Okay. $180,000, man. You can basically go out and get unless you live in California, you can move to Ohio and hang out with me, and you can get a nice house for $180,000, man. Like, $180,000 is a lot of money. I'm sure that will pay off all your student loans. If you already have a mortgage, it's going to seriously damage the mortgage you got. Like, $180,000, dude, would be incredible. Went on Robinhood. Idle. I hope soon, but everything we know right now is pure speculation about when it's going to be listed on Robinhood. Look up burning Shiba coins. You'll see will burn fast. Streaming music and YouTube playlists plus other platforms is soon. Yeah, so Steven. Is it Steven or Stefan, man? I don't want to say it incorrectly. There's Nini Waka's got that post up top right now. If you guys are interested in burning your Shiba Inu coins, you can play that playlist in the background. Just let it run. They burn about 7,000 per playlist play, so it's not a ton, but I mean, dude, if everybody in here was doing it, that's a lot. Christopher, man, you guys know what I want to see right now. I want to see 1,032 people welcoming Christopher to the chat. Christopher Robinson, man, thank you very much. Isn't that the Pooh's friend? Isn't that his name? Christopher Robinson, dude. Like, do you know Pooh? Are you guys all grown up now? Like, what's the deal? Am I getting that name wrong? Am I remembering it incorrectly? Let me know if I am for sure. Christopher, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. I appreciate that. And Lewis. What's up, Lewis? Lewis. Thank you for the super chat, Lewis. I appreciate that. You guys are absolutely awesome with all the super chats and all of the green names. Christopher, thank you very much. And guys, I don't see people. So we're moving to Ohio? Heck yeah, Rob. I don't see people spamming welcome Christopher in the chat. Where's that at? Where's my welcome Christophers in the chat right now, guys? Is that how we welcome? Is that how we welcome new members? with like 3 guys welcoming Chris? No, that's not how we welcome new members. I want everybody to welcome Chris for grabbing that green name. Come on, man. You guys should know better than that by now. Everybody in here spamming welcome Chris for grabbing that green name. He's Robin, not Robinson. Do you even win, man? I knew that I was getting it wrong. I knew I was getting it wrong. Oh my gosh. I missed it about the playlist. Dogamo, so the playlist, it's at the top of the chat right now. If you play that, and I guess it's a 23-hour loop, so you can play it on an old phone, you can play it on a computer that's going, whatever you want to do. But for every playthrough that they get, they're burning like 7,000 something Shiba Inu coins. It's not a ton, but if everybody's out there doing it, then it clearly adds up. So it's just one way that you can, play it on a device if you want, turn it on silent, you don't have to listen to it. But that's one way that people are out there burning Shiba Inu coins. I'm Christopher. Nice, Christopher. Thank you very much. Guys, and thank you everybody out there saying welcome to Chris. That's the welcome we have for everybody that grabs a green name. I appreciate all of you guys. Shitcoin market value now above the 2 largest banks in Europe. Oh my gosh, above the 2 largest banks in Europe. Well, good luck. Crypto is absolutely taking off, guys. Destroying companies all over the place right now in terms of market cap. What do you think about Floki Inu? Peter, I'm not sure. Sorry, Ivan. Didn't mean to delete that. It's okay. It's Ivan, AMC Trapper, did not mean to delete that. Send it again if you can, man. Floki, red Floki, yellow Floki, baby Floki. Guys, it is so hard to pick a winner because with all of these little coins like that, that's basically what you're doing, is you're taking a lottery ticket play. Shiba Inu coin is basically a miracle, okay? Shiba Inu coin running the way it has is just, it's not normal. And we're in a position right now that people don't often get. And I'm Zeke. Cricket. No, Zeke, you're in here, man. Shiba Inu only trust. Everyone always asking when moon. No one ever asking how moon. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. How is the moon? We need to know. Big Ben! Been a minute, Big Ben. How you doing? Shiba to the moon. Glad I bought back in May. Big Ben destroying it, dude. Buying back in May. I love it, man. You got to be killing these gains right now. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Yeah, we get cricket. How would you guys make a cricket sound? Like if you were trying to say the cricket sound, I just go cricket. I don't go chirp. I go cricket. Does anybody else do the same thing, or am I like really weird? Click. She burnt on Twitter. Burns coins every day, though, bro. So the quadrillion nonsense is crazy, right? Oh yeah. So currently, there were a quadrillion coins to begin with. But the major burn that was out there came when they originally gave, I don't even know how to pronounce that guy's name right, the guy that started Bitcoin, they gave him like half the supply, and when it was worth nothing, and he just destroyed it. He burnt it. He said, I don't want this, and threw it in a wallet and let it go. That's where the major supply burn came from. You heard of Dozilla? I have not. Click! What are you dressing up as for Halloween? Question is, should we do a short live stream on Sunday for Halloween? Because I'm not going to any Halloween parties. But if we do a short live stream, I do have a costume that I could use. If it sounds like something you're interested in, we could hang out on Sunday. But Elizabeth, I can't tell you. It's a surprise. Not Bitcoin, Ethereum. Jim, not Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sorry, I might have missed something. Wasn't it the Ethereum? Yeah. Ethereum founder. There's no way I said Bitcoin, did I? Did I say Bitcoin? It was the Ethereum founder. I'm so sorry, guys. That must have been what Jim was saying there, not Bitcoin. Yes, it was the Ethereum founder. I cannot pronounce his name. If somebody else can, great, but I can't. It was the guy that owns Ethereum. The guy that started Ethereum. 413 WAP, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And if you did not have a chat in it, and you do want to get a chat out, please, one of the mods, make sure that I see what 413 WAP wanted to say there. But thank you very much for sending that super chat. Claybro, dress up as an officiant and marry Elizabeth and me. Ooh, Elizabeth. I like that idea. I could dress up as an officiant and I could marry you guys. Interesting. Here's the joke though. Is the joke on you if I like actually do marry you? Or is that like a new girl prank, or like pranks on me because you guys got married? What's the deal on that one? How would you feel if you actually were married because of it? You said gosh, see Chipro, Chipro got me slipping, man. Chipro got me slipping, for sure. It is Ethereum, not Bitcoin. It is Ethereum. The guy that started Ethereum is the one that burnt that. Shiba will start consolidating. And hey, Jen, if it does, that's excellent news that we are supporting Shiba Inu Coin at 7,000 points instead of back at 700 points. So with AMC today, AMC kind of just bouncing off the support line we have at about $35 per share. We did get a decent little run up 1% to 35.50. Pulled back a little bit. Now, hopefully, we test it again and break through. We've really got some strong resistance at $36 per share on AMC. But it seems like we're really holding up right here at the $35 per share level as well. So I'm hoping we can break through this level to the upside and break through 36. And that this 35 level stays strong. Get Shiba a pop. Will Shiba break resistance? Listen. Hopefully today. Shiba is just an absolute beast. If people are wanting to buy it, they will throw it through the roof. And joke's on Elizabeth because she didn't have me sign a prenup for all her ridiculous gains. Boom, baby, no prenup. Joke's on Elizabeth. Now she's got to share those Shiba gains. AMC doing well, average-wise. Hold it and wait for the rocket. Mickey's so fine. Yeah, I agree with that. I think AMC's doing great, guys. We're still up from where we were back in January and doing... I mean, we're up, what, $35 from $1.35? We're still up like 18 times where we were in January. Steven, thank you very much for the super chat. What do you think about MMM coming into the holiday season? We can take a look at that since you sent a super chat real quick, man. MMM. Well, I don't know. I don't know how cyclical MMM is going to be. Daily... Let's see. What does it look like weekly? I don't know. Weekly, we had a lot of resistance at that $200 level. And just doing a quick technical analysis on it, we got a lot of resistance at that $200 level. But the most significant thing that I see just based on this weekly chart, which takes you back into 2020 during the dip down in the lockdown dip or that coronavirus dip we had back here at the beginning of 2020. It's been trending nicely higher, hitting a lot of higher lows. And yes, we did kind of break that trend line to the downside here, but we're sitting right at support that was made here, 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 and here again. So let's hope that if you're going into the holiday season, you're expecting some cyclical nature where we could see 3M rise because of what's going on with the holidays, then you may see it start to form this trend line once again and continue higher. That would be my thoughts on it. I'm not like, I don't know. Overall, I think you can make money long term on it, but I mean, that does have a nice long term graph, guys. But I don't know how much the holidays are going to affect it, if I'm being honest. Alright, back to where we were. I knew that. Devil's Advocate. Knew what? That you gotta be worried? Clibro actually married us. God, you got run. How do you know about that? Devil's Advocate did watch New Girl. Ronded. You just got ronded. Oh, yes. Dang it, man. You know too much, Devil's Advocate. You know too much. Elizabeth, you got a New Girl reference? Ha, meant to be. Definitely, man. Definitely. Bro, is it as simple as just looking at how many coins you have, or does it from 0.0004 add value? Jake, I'm not sure I understand the question, man, but if you have, let's say you got 1,000,000 coins and you want it to go to a penny, then you're going to have $10,000 worth. If you got 100 million coins and it ends up going to a penny, you're going to have $1 million worth. If you're looking at where you got in at like 0.00004, then you could base your percentage gain off that. But if you're looking at your dollar gain, you're going to need to know how many coins you got and like your goal price versus the price where it's at right now. How do you think Lucy's going to play out based on the daily? We can look at that in a couple seconds here. You speak Spanish? Wrestler, I do not speak Spanish. Sorry about that. Thoughts on Shiba at the moment? Pulling back could be a decent time to get in if you guys want to. Guided at 0.0000. Ooh, nice, man. Was that 5 zeros and a 6? Very nice, Jim. That is an excellent entry. Don't slander. Definitely not. Whatever that means there with all that Chinese writing. Nobody knows. Huaki speaky Spani, and not me. I don't speaky Spani. I keep buying more and increasing my average, unfortunately. Lee, increasing your average. Great. Your percentage gain might not be as high, but your dollar gain is going to be even higher, dude. How do I know how many coins I have? Relax. It depends on where you're holding your coins, but it should show you how many coins you have, whether it's a million, 100,000. I mean, you should easily be able to see in your broker how many coins you have. And if you can't, then I don't know what's going on with that. But anybody out there interested in using Webull to hold your Shiba Inu coins, I do want to let you know that Webull, through, I believe, November 1st, has a promotion going on where if you make your $100 deposit, you're going to get 2 free stocks. And then if you trade at least $1 worth of any crypto, so you buy at least $1 worth of any crypto, you're going to get at least $5 worth of Shiba Inu coin. So if you're like, well, dude, it's all hype, I don't really want to get in it, and you don't want to spend any money, I mean, go drop $1 on it, and then you're going to get $5 worth of free Shiba. So, and you can use the link in the description below to do that. Why a number of SHIB coins got increased today? A lot of people are saying that that was a glitch. Hopefully by the afternoon live stream I'm able to confirm that, but it's a lot of people are pointing to the fact that that was a glitch, that the supply increased. Why number SHIB? Okay, so that clear, bro. I have something to contribute to help the entire SHIB community. I just can't super chat you. Well, dude, Zach, I mean, no problem with that. Let me know, man. Let me know. What's going to help us? You don't have to super chat me, guys, for me to see the message. If you want to buy SHIB, set an alert for a price you want to buy in at. When it triggers, go in and buy. Have a plan no matter what. Rob, excellent advice, man. If you guys are looking to buy on a dip, set your alert up and go buy. You do not have to buy it now. Set a buy order up, a limit order, and it will buy for you. Fact, all other YouTubers, I don't have a crystal ball. Ha, Clay, I do in fact have one, and it works. However, due to the weather conditions, it's foggy at the moment. Thinking, I love the fact that Devil's Advocate actually watches my videos, man. I don't know. I love the fact this dude watches my videos. How much Shiba do you think will end in 2021? Oh, I think it's got a chance to burn another 0 by the end of 2021. And maybe double or triple from here. I think we got our work cut out for it. If you expect prices like a penny and so on, I don't see that happening in 2021. End of the year with 3 zeros. I would love 3 zeros with the end of the year. Yes, I'm completely on board with that. Where do you think we're going today? Today, I don't know. From the vibe I'm getting from the price chart so far, I think we're going to consolidate around this 7,000 level and really watch that hold up as a level of support. If we do get a little runner here, I would really like to retest that 8,800 level that we hit last night. I would really like to test that. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Oh, I do whatever Elizabeth says. So when Elizabeth does dip, yes, I dip and we dip as well. Hashtag dip, baby. Hashtag dip. Rolling in here with the hashtag dip. KuCoin can be tricky, but I see a lot of people killing it on that app. Well, there you go. That could be one too. I've never used KuCoin. That's what I was thinking too. Yeah, dude. Good deal, man. Good deal. At least, you know, that kind of shows me that you guys are still being a little bit realistic too. I do think a penny and these prices that people out there are talking about are possible, but longer term. We need more time to get there. Shiba, let's go. Let's do it. Is the playlist free? Rob, it should be free, man. It should be free. For Shiba holder, but you know they play ads on there, so the people are basically using that ad money that they're getting from the Spotify playlist to go out there and burn Shiba Inu coins with it. Decent idea, in my opinion. Decent idea. You know, they're gonna get views. They might even be making a little bit of a profit off the fact that you know, playing that, they're making some profit. They're still burning some Shiba coins doing it, and they're getting a ton of views because of it. So I mean, excellent idea in my opinion. And I hope it works out and actually does something. Make it so fine. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's a good idea, guys. I can't sneeze. I don't even know what that means, man. Mulan, buy Shiba. Boo, buy Shiba. Shiba ends December 0.0001427. Mario, screenshot that and then send it to me at the end of December on New Year's Eve. And if it's at 0.0001427, then I'm gonna send you a free shirt, man. I'm gonna send you a bro shirt. If you're right, if you're dead on that, in Eastern time, just so we're in the same time zone, Eastern time, end of New Year's Eve. If it ends December at 0.0001427, you got your shirt, man. Hodl Sheep, very nice new foe. Holding Shiba Inu Coin, making some money. And Zach, thanks for all the info. Yes, thank you very much, Zach. What if Hedgies pumped Shiba to kill the MOAS? Listen, I don't think they did, Max. Some people may be on that, I don't know, line of train of thought, I should say. Sorry, line of thinking, train of thought. Some people may be thinking that, but that would require people to sell their AMC to get into Shiba. And I don't think that the true apes are selling their AMC to get into Shiba. Some people may have, but those are more day traders. Those are the guys that are going to go out there and say, all right, well, forget this, I'm going to go in this now. Forget this, I'm going to go in this now. Forget this, I'm going to go in this now. And that's not apish. Come on, CYBL. I just want Elizabeth to make so. I love it when Elizabeth's making money, man. I'm new to crypto. Can you teach me? David, I can teach you what I know about it. Are you, like what level are you at? Because I've mined cryptocurrency. I've actually been mining cryptocurrency since about 2017. And then clearly you can buy and trade cryptocurrency. It just depends on how you want to get started and where you want to do it. They're selling their AMC to get into DWAC. Oh, God. JB, man, I hope they're not selling AMC to get into DWAC. Oh my gosh, dude. Don't give me a heart attack. Don't give me a heart attack. They better not be selling to get into DWAC. We know what potential AMC has unlimited potential, man. Unlimited potential. Dogecoin. Shiba Inu Coin. I know a lot of people in here are here because we're talking about Shiba, right? It's running. A lot of people are excited about it. Shiba Inu will eventually run out of buyers because people are going to say, no, I'm not paying $1 for a Shiba Inu coin when it was trading at 1/1,000,000th of a dollar a year ago. AMC stock is different because AMC has guaranteed buyers regardless of the price. The short shares that are outstanding will be covered at some point, and it doesn't matter if it's at $30. It doesn't matter if it's at $30,000. If we hold out, they have to cover. What are your thoughts of AMC and Wyckoff, bro? Well, I think that AMC, man, just like in general, my thoughts on AMC, Dylan, is the fact that I'm so blown away by how people can get discouraged with AMC trading sideways for a minute. If you're sitting on a gold mine and all you have to do is dig down and get the gold, equate that to holding your shares of AMC. If you're unwilling to dig, you're not going to get the gold. If you're unwilling to hold, you're not going to get the gold. So just in general, my thoughts on AMC, man, it might be boring. People might not like to dig. They might not like to sweat. They might not like to wait, but they do like the gold. And AMC is just an unlimited gold mine where I hope everybody holds on long enough to get there. Support Claybro, hit the like button. Thank you very much, Nufo. I appreciate that, guys. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. AMC is definitely not a dead cat. Oh my God. AMC's... I don't like cats that much, but it's definitely not a dead one. Oh, man. AMC, guys, AMC, when AMC blows up, it's going to be amazing. Like 10x gains over the last couple of weeks in Shiba are nice, but AMC has the potential to do so much more than 10x. What will happen if Robinhood lists Shiba? AZ share. If you want a little bit larger of a breakdown, you can go watch the video I posted yesterday on it. But in a nutshell, one of two things or a combination of the two things is going to happen if Robinhood lists Shiba Inu coin. One, the people that are buying the rumors, selling the news, will cause a little bit of a drop-off in Shiba coin. Two, the added demand from everybody who now has it available to buy on Robinhood will drive the price up. It will be some sort of a combination between the two, but overall, I think the price will rise because I think more people will have access to it and more people will buy it. In my opinion, people get scared because the people were originally found to get knowledge from said it would skyrocket, not go up and hold and dip and whatever. So expectations weren't met, and ... lots of people are new and ignorant to the market, myself included. Just keep teaching and people will find their way on their own. Devil's advocate. It's actually my opinion too, man. I share the same opinion with you on that. I do think that, a lot of the people that were out there, and I try to walk that line the best that I can. I'm sorry if I cross one way or the other and lead you in a direction to make you think that you're overly excited or like overly realistic and so on. I try to walk that line between what we should expect, but keeping people's expectations like uplifted. Because I am very hopeful that AMC will squeeze. I believe the short shares will cover. I believe that the people holding will see gains on their portfolios. And I do, on the same hand, believe that people will be tempted into selling their shares of AMC. I can't tell you when they're going to be so tempted that people sell enough shares back. Is it 1,000? Is it 500? Is it 5,000? Like, I can't tell you where that line is drawn, but I know that if we do what we say we're going to do, the gains are going to be crazy. Crazy, man. Can't find AMC and Binance? AMC is not a cryptocurrency. AMC is a stock. Prague, oh my gosh, Wrestler, yes, rolling on your Prague gains right now. Prague is sitting at $3.93. You got in $3.39 this morning. You understood the assignment, my friend, and I wish that I would have understood it as well. That way, we say hold. Make it so fine. Absolutely, man. Guys, I am unwavering in my dedication to hold what I have in AMC. A part of that is probably because it's not 100% of my portfolio, and I still have the opportunity to, invest in other things and watch other stocks run and so on. But, you got to make that decision for yourself. I know that a lot of people who did go 100% in AMC made a lot of money, especially if they got in at $5 a share. You're making a lot of money. So to each his own, but I think that the longer you're willing to hold, the longer we're willing to refuse to sell these stocks back to the hedge funds, the better it's going to be. Shiba is scared because Claybro, plus he sees all these people in here and he's not. No, Marine Corps Brat. Marine Corps Brat, I know you saw that video on Twitter the other day. Chibro's not scared. GME and AMC started this diamond hand thing. Absolutely, AMC Trapper. My Coinbase is showing Shiba price 0.00005. Something is. Why is it lower? I don't know. The Coinbase price should be showing 0.00007 right now, not 0.00005. And with that, I'll say it again. Guys, Coinbase was down yesterday. It didn't handle the volatility. Binance was not down, and Webull was not down. If you're in the U.S., Webull's got a promotion going on right now. If you sign up, make a $100 deposit, you're going to get 2 free stocks. Valued up to $2,300, but that's basically like winning the lottery. You should expect those stocks to be around $10 to $15. I mean, that's what the vast majority of people get. And then if you trade at least $1 worth of crypto, so if you go out and buy $1 worth of Shiba Inu, you get at least $5 worth of Shiba Inu just for making that transaction right there. So if you guys do want some free Shiba, if you don't want to go out and buy it right now, absolutely use the link in the description below. Sign up, make that deposit, grab some Shiba, and I mean, you're not going to regret it because you got some free Shiba at that point. If you don't live in the U.S. and you can't use Webull, you got an international Binance link down below that they make it very simple as well to grab some Shiba. And I do believe with their promotion, you also get a little Shiba kickback based on your trading commission. So it's based on how much you trade on that one. It's not just a flat rate. Clay bro, I did. He's so dude. Marine Corps Brat, I love that little dude so much. Like I don't know. I think it's weird. My brother thinks it's weird that I let a chipmunk jump in my house, but I love that little dude so much. He jumps up right in front of me on the couch, man. He lets me drink my coffee too, or if I got like a lemonade or something, he lets me drink it. He doesn't care that I'm moving around on the couch. He gets a little nervous if I like lean up or something. But, oh man, I love that little guy. Binance link doesn't work. Pringleton. It should work right now. I updated the one that was in the live. If you can, and you want to, in the next like 6 minutes, Can you please click on it to see if that Binance link does work? The one that was in the live stream yesterday does not work. AMC Trapper confirmed that for me last night, but it should be updated right now. It should, and if you guys can confirm that, I would really appreciate that. Over 900 in here, only 263 likes. Hit that like, everybody. What are you doing? Smash that like button. Come on now, guys. Takes 2 seconds. All you gotta do is close out the live chat, click the like button, and then come back in here. Weird. They're jealous, man. You're basically Snow White or Cinderella or whatever lady has all the critters. And of course, doesn't have a chipmunk. Just saying. That dude don't even have a duck. Dude, if I was Matt Kors, no, I would have gone to Tractor Supply, and I would have bought a baby duck, and I would have a duck right now. Somehow, I just ended up getting a chipmunk instead of a duck. But if I was that dude, I'd definitely go down to Tractor Supply or somewhere and grab myself a duck for like 25 cents. I will wait for your link, bro. AMC Trapper, I really appreciate that, man. Check Doge. What is Doge doing? Doge was up this morning. Doge is up to 32.5 cents right now, up 37% on the day. Dude, we know what's happening with Doge, right? We got a clash of the clans here. We got Doge Army versus the Shiba Army right now. And Doge is saying, oh, no, you don't. You don't go out there and surpass our Doge levels. We got to watch this bad boy go back up. So I think there's a little bit of a fight going on. We need a Chipro dedicated channel. Mickey, I've thought about doing that, but I don't know. Are you talking like a live stream, or are you talking like just a dedicated live stream that stays on, or are you talking like just videos of Chipro? Because I could do videos. The live stream maybe, I could leave a camera up for the live stream, but then clearly if you guys are like creeping on it, you might see me mowing the lawn in the backyard or something, and I don't want to just leave it on me while I'm sitting on the couch and he's jumping on there. I think that the videos might be better than a live stream. You guys don't need to watch me mowing the lawn and sitting on the couch. Who cares? I own both. Steven, very nice, man. What's up, fam? Driving, not messing. DD214, glad to have you in here. On set, Stacks Ape Nation. Lights, camera, action. Because we are on set, baby. Stacks Ape Nation, thank you very much. And if you guys do want to see the set, like, oh, there's the set. That's it. That's it. Very, very basic living room. And then over into the living room in there, that's where your boy Chipro jumps in. And then laptop. That's the laptop you got. Clever, what platform are you using to view these charts? Ryan, this is Weeble, man. This is Weeble. Having 58 million in Shiba, I should definitely be holding. Right thoughts on staking? Oh, so Scoop, I don't know too much about staking, man. I don't know. I don't know if you have to lock your stuff up and what you want to do with that. But 54 million, hey, holding long term, dude, I think you got a lot of potential long term. How long you going to be on? Well, Trevor, I'm going to be on just a couple more minutes. We typically go from 11 in the morning. Today was 11:30 because my throat was hurting and I was making sure that I got some tea and everything. So I usually go like 11:15 to about 1 p.m. Eastern time. And then 3 p.m. Eastern time to 5. So I'm going to be on just a couple more minutes. We're going to get off. And then we will be back in about 2 hours for another live stream. Videos throughout the day. So you guys can make sure to check those out if you want to check those out. But the live stream schedule is usually twice a day, once in the morning, mid-afternoon, and then in the afternoon into the close. Hey, Clibro, can I get a shout-out to my mom, Brenda? Absolutely, Frank. Hey, Brenda, shout-out. Your son, Frank, is amazing. Glad to have that dude in here all the time. And shout-out to you, Brenda. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today. Frank's the man. If you didn't know, if nobody told you today, Frank is the absolute man. DWAC Rising, Stacks Ape Nation, nice, man. What's DWAC at right now? I don't know if it's on this watch list. No, I don't have DWAC on this watch list. What is it? What's DWAC at right now? Clever price prediction for Shiba Inu is bull run. I hope we break the 0.88 high we had and we break a zero, get rid of a zero. Where's Brett? I have not seen Brett since he came back in that one day. Brett's been gone for I think over a month, Elizabeth. I don't know where Brett's been. Do you think I do think Shiba has long-term potential. Yes, absolutely. How about me? Can I have a shout-out? Lol. Yeah, Jay. Legadia. Lol? I believe is how you say that name. Lol J. Legadia. Shout-out to you, and thank you for being in here. Look at me. Stat. Look at you. What's going on, Stephanie? How's your day going? Stephanie, eu espero que você está tendo ótimo dia. Sorry, my Portuguese is terrible. But thank you for being in here, Stephanie. Hurting from all those, yeah, AMC Trapper. Throat's killing me from all those bananas I licking stuck yesterday. Love the multiple charts, Clay, bro. Newfo, really appreciate that, man. Thank you. Don't look at me. Stephanie says, look at me. Devil's advocate, don't look at me. No, don't look at me. Brett's been away 2 months. Oh, has it been really 2 months already? My gosh, man. I can't even realize it's been 2 months already. All right, guys, it is 1 o'clock, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to sign off for about 2 hours, have some lunch, and then we're going to be back. Please get your name in the chat right now if you want to shout out, but I want to give one more mention to Webull and Binance. If you guys want to get your hands on some Shiba Inu coin and you live in the U.S., make sure to sign up for a Webull account using the link in the description below. $100 deposit, you get 2 free stocks, most likely valued at $15, but they can go all the way up to about $2,300. And then $1 purchase of crypto, you get at least $5 in free Shiba coin. So check that out. And then Binance, if you guys do not live in the U.S., but you want to buy Shiba Inu coin, you can use the link for Binance down below, and you're going to get some rewards for doing that as well. So make sure to check those out. Everybody go grab some Shiba Inu coin if you want while it's running. And let's get these shout-outs going. And then please make sure to come back. If you have not subscribed yet, if you're still brand new, let me know that you subscribed in the comments. I'll definitely shout you out. But subscribe, turn on notifications. We do live stream twice a day and get videos throughout the day, so make sure to check that out. But Dippy Dog, man, Vasteel, shout out to you. Greg Griffin, William, L. Peepero, Steve, Stefan, thank you very much, Steven. Zach, Nini Waka, Marine Corps, Brat. Who else we got? Misopan, Elizabeth. What is this? Starmade Productions, very nice. Gorilla Invictus, Elizabeth, Miami Johnny, I like that name, man. Carmen, Marine Corps Brat, Nini Waka, Lowell J, another one, Lowell, another shout out to you, my man. DD214, see you later. A wrestler with all of his eggplant emoji. Wrestler's a vegetarian, likes eggplants for some reason. Marine Corps Brat, yeah, the love is in the air, Marine Corps Brat. I'm so glad you're in here. AMC Trapper says, peace out to all the diamond-handed apes. Wow, thank you, Rob. Thank you for being in here, man. Marine Corps Brat, see you later this afternoon. Delusive, Elizabeth, Rob, Pringleton, see all of you guys later. Oh, Helper, Sanjay, the refreshed guy. Is that that's not the refreshed guy that live streams all day long, is it? Dude, if that's a refreshed guy that live streams all day long, what's up, dude? I've actually watched plenty of your live streams, if that is you. Let's see. Scoop, Michael, Stacksape, Jay Bones, Elizabeth, Newfo, Phil, Miami Johnny again, Delusive, all of you guys, Hatchback, Darn, just log in. That's all right, man. We will be back in about 2 hours, so check back for that. And I want to say it with or I want you to say it now. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.